Hello everyone. I'm not going to explain Python program, calculate the Laplace transform of a sensor signal using the SymPy library. First, the program import the SymPy library, which is used for performing symbolic mathematical calculations such as integral, transforms, and algebraic operation. Then the variable t and s are defined as a symbolic variable. Here t represent the time domain variable and s represent the Laplace domain variable. After defining the variable, the signal function is created as f of t equal to e of minus 2t by sin 3t. This represents a sensor signal that decays exponentially while oscillating with a sine wave. Next, the program use the Laplace transform function to compute the Laplace transform of the given signal from the time domain into the Laplace domain. The no codes equal to true parameter is used so that the program turn only the transform result without additional condition. Then the program print the original time domain signal using pprint so that the equation is displayed in a readable mathematical format. Finally, the program prints the Laplace transform result which show the transformed signal in a S domain. This transformation helps engineers analyze system behavior, signal processing and control system more easily. Thank you.